In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use GoPro underwater without a case. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you bought yourself a GoPro, but you don't want to purchase an additional case, while still using it to record underwater, the short answer is that you can use most modern GoPro cameras underwater without a case. However, of course, there are some important limitations. So in general, as long as you don't spend too much time and you don't go too deep, your GoPro camera is going to be fine. The audio might be muffled for a little bit when you come out of the water because the water will be escaping the hose and so on. And of course, it's important to make sure that you don't have any major cracks, either on the screen or on the side of the case, where water can make its way through. As long as you recently purchased a GoPro, you can take it underwater and use it with caution. So always check your model. Some models, for example, Hero 12 Black, Hero 11 Black Mini, are waterproof down to 10 meters or 33 feet without separate housing. However, older models like the Hero Pro and earlier are not going to be waterproof at all, so in this case you cannot use them without a case. But like I said before, if you have modern models like the 11, the Hero 12, and so on, they are able to be used underwater up to 33 feet or 10 meters. So always keep these limitations in mind, and of course be mindful. Don't go too deep, don't spend too much time. The built-in waterproofing is designed for swimming, snorkeling, and shallow dives. If you are doing any sort of deep diving, for example, scuba diving, you absolutely need the dedicated waterproof dive housing. Secure any sort of doors or cracks that you might see and rinse after salt water. If you use the GoPro in salt water, always rinse it with fresh water afterwards and mind the touchscreen. With all of that said, use it with caution and you will be good to go even without a case. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video answered any questions that you had, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.